Hey there guys, it's Paul from dronesguide.com and I see you already have the Mavic 2 Pro. Well, I'm imagining that you're already taking some really nice photos and videos with it. However, I'm pretty sure you can improve your overall experience flying and having this drone by just getting a few accessories. The accessories I'm talking about will fit both the Mavic 2 Pro like this one and the Mavic 2 Zoom. I will count down from the least important accessory I consider up to the most important one. Number 7. There's a thing not many people talk about, and that is freezing temperatures in the winter and not being able to fly a drone properly because your hands are just too cold. Usually people don't really fly drones when it's freezing because the battery doesn't last long, but the Mavic 2 can handle quite low temperatures just fine. And I'm sure you'll want to take some of those cool snow photos of your neighborhood. For that I have a simple solution. There's this transmitter glove made to keep your hands warm as you pilot any drone around, which I think is super cool and will make your flying experience in winter much better. Number 6. The tablet adapter. You have a monster of a drone with incredible camera capabilities and you'll certainly want to see what you're recording as big as possible. Phones are pretty small in that regard, even some of the bigger ones. That's why some of you folks might want to have a tablet connected to your Mavic 2. But for that to happen you need an adapter, and you can find that linked down in the description. Number 5. A multicharger. This is a piece of hardware that does what the DJI charger couldn't. That is, charge up to 3 of your batteries at the same time. This means everything will be over in 1.5 hours. The original DJI charger accessory is quite expensive and only charges them one by one, taking 3 times as much to do it. Number 4. A landing pad. Having such an expensive drone, I kinda hate it when I see it launched from a very dusty place and gets covered in dust. This is a pretty good reason to get a landing pad. Another reason is ground imperfections or simply not wanting the drone bottom sensors to touch the ground. An alternative is also getting some simple landing legs, those should work just fine. Number 3 is definitely a good case for it. If you got the standard case that comes with the Fly More combo, it's fine, but if you're looking to get more batteries in the future, I'm not sure it will fit. Additional accessories from this list might as well just not fit that original bag. There's many hard cases for the Mavic 2 on the internet. I'll leave links to a few down below. This is the one that I use, a cheap hardcase backpack that's very well built and has room for 3 batteries and even side space for things like landing pad and other stuff. Stuff like ND filters, which is my number 2 spot. They're very important to have, especially if you have the Mavic 2 Pro. This set right here is from PGI Tech and they're beautifully crafted. Why you need ND filters, you ask? Well, to avoid shooting choppy video like you're seeing now, that makes your head spin and replace with something smooth instead. The number 1 spot is going to be pretty boring, but my choice is definitely getting more batteries. I know it sounds pretty boring, but frankly, if you find yourself without any juice to fly the drone, all the other accessories will be bought in vain. All these accessories go hand in hand with each other and fit in the bag too. Please pick the ones you like best and make yourself a gift. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon if you want to see more videos like this. See you later, alligator.